Let's make a video. Is tiger cute with a collar or without collar? Let's try this. Now she's sleeping. Let's butter him. Sorry for buttering. Let's remove that tiger. Oops. Come on, tell me. Is he cute with the collar or not? He's without the collar. Wait! He's without collar. So cute! And let's put the collar again. Here.